Advertising has changed drastically just in the past 5 years. It has become harder and harder to have your credit repair business stand out. In a crowded world of advertisements, how can you get the attention of people in your town? We have the solution for you. We would love to provide you with an affordable, high-quality video created through a process called whiteboard animation. Whiteboard animation is created using a time-lapse of drawings on a whiteboard. In other words, you see an artist actually drawing the animation, like this. We express your ideas and concepts visually to people with bad credit in your area. We get your potential customers to call you first. We are 5-star rated on Google, Super Pages, and Yellow Pages. Hurry, this program is limited to a few select credit repair services in your area. Call now, 888-977-4866. Local Video Ninja comes with a quadruple guarantee. Call within 24 hours of opening this email and save $300 on your branded semi-exclusive video. Call now, 888-977-4866.